Welcome, Southeastern Ohio, Solar Haven. Once again, bringing in the power again today. Good sunny day, charged up the float, 5.9 kilowatt hour in, not bad. 2.7. And with this one going, looks like to be 1.4 on those set of panels, and that one's on a set of 460 watt array, two panels with 230 watt. I decided to put that back on. Wind power, nothing today. The other day when we had our nice little windstorm, we were averaging around 270 to 300 watts during the windstorm. Seen a few peaks up there around 650 when it was, when we had our wind gusts. I think I've got the wind curve pretty well down, figured out. When it was windy, I was playing with it and adjusting and making tweaks here and there. I think we got it dialed in. But yeah, today it's off grid. Just as you can see there, 524 watts being used. It's not bad. Running my computers and stuff down here, my fridges, and of course, fridge kick in, that would jump up there. So that's just on the computer system and stuff. Not doing bad at all here today. But I did finish up the switch over my critical loads panel stuff. Well, it's not 100%, but excuse me, it's up and working. You can see it right over here. Now, the only thing I want to do is straighten up these wires. I think these wires here are just a little bit, it's the older house wiring in the house. I think they're a little stretched. So I'm going to take these boxes you see here, maybe slap one up there. And I'm not sure, I'm going to have to look up the electrical codes, but I'm not sure if I need a box for each circuit or I can put two circuits to the box and piggyback it, that way I don't have to add the extra wire to it and don't have to stretch it out. Got them all labeled. All I got to do is turn this switch on and turn this on, and then I'm running the house off grid basically at this point. The only thing I can't run is the dryer and the air, central air. I can run my furnace just fine because it's 120. The air conditioner and dryer, they're 240. So until I get a split phase inverter that can handle that type of load. Now, I don't think the 6,000 watt version I'm after is going to do a dryer, but I'm pretty sure it'll do the air conditioner, since the amount of power it uses is not near as much as the dryer. But yep, that's the way she's looking now. Hopefully here in the next week or so I can get this buttoned up and get this cover back on this dang thing, and then I'll be good to go. Found a nice wood cabinet shelf at a local cabinet shop. They have a scrap wood pile that they throw out to the curb, and I don't see anything wrong with this. They threw it out, and I usually go there to they throw out a bunch of odd and end type of wood, and I go there and gather it up once a week or two. I go over here, and as you can see, I got a nice pile of wood here, or boards or whatever, that they use to make cabinets or desk with. You can see all of it I got there. I got tons of it. I gather it because you never know when you can use it. And I'm going to show you a prime example of that. I like to, because down here I got some of it. But what I like to do is build my benches with it. Makes perfect wood, tops. All I gotta do is buy the 2x4 and all that happy stuff. Oh, come think about it, DIY Solar Homestead Wesley up there in Michigan. He's always talking about me being an electronics junkie. Well, see, I got the parts laying around, man. I got case, resistors, capacitors here going on. Got some nice LED driver boards. I got these cob lighting LEDs I actually got a hold of a few years back at a decent price. I kept a hold of those. Resistor packs. More capacitors and stuff. I got it, right here. My Maxwell Super Caps. 350 farad per cap. I believe those are the 2.8 volters, if I remember right, or 2.7. They were 2.7s. I got a box full of these. Right now, circuit boards. I got to order up more circuit boards. And I work on the occasional computer and TV, car amplifier, stuff like that. And I have occasionally worked on charge controllers and stuff like that. I've got a few of the, I got a couple misfit power inverters there, and got one there laying that I need to take apart and repair. But yeah, that's what I do. My hobbies are varied so much, it's crazy. And then I need to get this, mess of a table cleaned up, unfortunately. Working on that now. It used to be worse, trust me. I don't like it, but I need to get it cleaned up. But yeah, the wind power done decent, so I'm gonna leave that curve going there. Ain't much more going on right now. Got some projects on hand coming forward here soon. Maybe some tear down videos to let people know, hey, look, this is junk or this is good. I can tell you right now, those are good. This is good. You know my opinion on these. These are those are rock solid. Even the Xantrax, these 1800 waters they're rock solid. It just depends on how you use them. But anyway, I hope y'all have a good sunny solar day. Wind generator people, well, I hope you got some wind to keep your power going. And stay busy.